Hello, everybody. Welcome to our Zero Fox Given Season 2, Episode 14. Wow, it's Episode 14 now. I am one of your hosts, Tina.
I'm Darlene or Bubbles.
And I am Zai from the deck.
Welcome, everybody, and happy Monday morning or evening to everybody. And we have a very special guest for this evening, and we will be talking all about arts and watercolor. And of course, we will be joined tonight by our very beautiful, gorgeous fox goddess, Miss Jenny Nalia, our creative and our artist. Yay! Welcome, Ate Jenny.
Hello.
Woohoo! Welcome forward. So, this evening we will be sharing a lot about creativity and arts kasi this April, anong month nga tayo? I mean, there's a lot
Yes.
of arty stuff going on for April. So, yeah, many people are asking if you know that meron tayong event that we launched in the Fox Tribe called the Watercolor Flow. And for this Watercolor Flow, people have been asking, who's gonna be our facilitator? And so many of you know Ate Jenny as our very awesome when it comes to money and finances, but she's a multi-potentialite, so or a humanoid, we call it. But meaning she has so many skill sets. Hindi siya many skill sets lang, but she's really great in those skill sets. Okay, so yeah, so tonight we'll be introducing our facilitator for our upcoming class, Watercolor Flow, Miss Jenny Nalia. And yun, maybe our hosts tonight have questions for Ate Jenny or what?
Yes, me.
Oh, it's you.
Hello, Jenny. I am Zai from the deck.
And I'm Jenny from the Sands.
Yes. Oh, Miss Jenny from the Sands. And my question for you for tonight. Wait lang, mabunot sa akong kuan question. So, yeah. Yes, tama itong gingon ni Tina. Many were inquiring who the facilitator is.
The
Underground.
facilitator is Miss Minchin.
Yes. So how long have you been creating or doing this watercolor thing? And yes, and it's not just watercolor, right? Pero focus natin sa watercolor. Okay, sa sunod, daghan patag mga workshop with Miss Minchin. So yeah, so how long have you been painting?
I started in 2016, but not entirely painting because initially I was into calligraphy and then lettering, using watercolor, and then with the introduction of a new art medium, that's when I explored painting other than the writing, calligraphy, and lettering as a form of art and craft as well. Yeah.
So 5 years ka ng artist. 5 years
Oh
ka
my
ng
God. Pwede rin, mag 30 years na artist na anong mata, direct, left, right, ang luha, char. Etchas lang.
Oo, yes. Mga hindi po nakakaalam, sumasideline din po siya ang pagiging artista. At beautician po. So, ganyan siya ka-talented. So, at least, and 5 years na sa watercolor painting. Now, ako na, Anita. So last question. So what inspired you to start painting? And why watercolor? Ay,
Thank you for that question. That's so wonderful. um, what prompted me to go back into the artsy side again was basically a very busy lifestyle working in the finance industry before. And physically, somehow I vowed to, enjoy things when or have a life outside of work. And then my life outside of work kasi before, how I defined it was to take up master's degree. So pareho rin siya very mental, diba? And then, and so in 2013, it prompted me to really strike a balance. So other than my physical activity, sports stuff, I was also inclined to go back into the arts as well. But I only had the I think it was really calling me only in 2016 because I was at a really lowest point in my life at that time. I was working in Singapore, and then I felt like I really didn't belong. And I know there is something different, parang there's what you call this? I wanted to do something that is related to my passion and all. At that time, it wasn't clear to me yet, but I know it also involves the arts or creativity. But of course, the banking industry, the finance industry is lucrative. And so what's making me 50-50 is, of course, the money. But at that time, it wasn't clear to me yet. And when I really hit rock bottom, I was really depressed because I felt like nobody understood me. Charot. Yung mga ganong drama, meron talaga tayo yan, diba? And I think we go through that, and it so happened to me lang. It just happened in Singapore, where most people in my circle at that time who are also working in the finances industry were like telling me na, this is the dream, Jen. What are you still asking for, or something like that? And so things happen, and the rest is history with regards to my finance career. And so I came back to the Philippines, and then there's emotional turmoil, and so I thought that, and I really didn't have. Most of my close friends were abroad already, so I didn't have someone I can talk to. Those people who I can talk to deeply, and so I turned into the arts. So I just started, finding out my first page is, if you can see it, this is Restart. So this is just how I started, just playing with the colors and all. And with words, kasi nga I'm into calligraphy and lettering, so I always inject or incorporate words into my artwork. And so it just started there, and then I just played with the palette that I had at that time. It was a student grade pa nga na watercolor palette eh. And if you asked why watercolor, because water, I think we all know in different forms there's magic and life into it. And when you play or we incorporate color into that, so of course you use the medium watercolor, wherein we use water as the activator of our pigments or our color pigments, for instance. So I think I just associated life with that medium, because like if you look at like a glass of water, it can be still, right? But when you start mixing the colors, and then it becomes vibrant. Of course, if you do too much dark, it will look muddy. But if you put in the colors or mix the colors na favorite mo or something, parang it goes up. It brings, or it lightens up my mood at that time. And I remember vividly that. So I was already into watercolor, and it was really raining really hard. And I was back in Manila pa, not in Davao that time. So parang gusto ko lang mag-flow then with the water. It's raining, there's watercolor. And then, I just wanted to console myself because I felt like I don't have anyone who can understand me at that time. So I was just playing with the colors and the watercolors. And then, ito yung nagawa ko. It's like a spread of flowers or something. Ganyan. So, I just did it until parang na-relax na ako. I'll calm down. And then I realized, wow, ang luha ko bulaklak, charot. Diba? It's like literally kasi I was practicing or learning how to paint florals at that time. So sabi ko, oh my God, this is what flow is. I mean, with your current state. And at that time, I started with a very chaotic mindset. And then the water just helped me, process, be in the moment. I did not resist what I was feeling at that time. I was down, I was low, I was crying. So sumabay sa ulan. And then I just used something, a brush, a medium, and then put color into my sketchbook. And then I have created something. So parang aha moment din siya na regardless of what state you are in as of the moment or at the present moment, you can really transmute it. Just like alchemy, that you can shift it. And since then, I realized, this is really a wonderful tool for me to process my current state at that time. Because really, I think my rock bottom was really, actually, it started in Singapore and then I came back in Manila. I don't have much support group there. So parang doon talaga ako nag-adjust, and I was like really lost, I have to say. I was lost when I came home, and then Manila pa yun, so I didn't came home to my hometown. So yun, and that at that moment, I just realized, this is the medium for me. I tried pastel before when I was in grade school, high school. It's okay. It's and oil as well, but iba yung flow ng watercolor. That's why the title of my first class is also watercolor flow, because I'll be sharing how I was able to transmute a very low vibrational energy into something colorful, vibrant, or high vibration, kumbaga. And I will also share my experience with regards to testing, materials or tools, including the paper. Sobrang nag-a-addict din kasi ako when I'm interested into something. I really dig deep into learning everything. So that includes the brushes, the stroke, the paper, so ano yung maganda, and even the pigments. Nag-addict din ako sa history niyan. So along the way, I'm really also passionate about sharing that, other than the flow and the gift of flow, to be exact, using watercolor.
Ayan, that's so wonderful. That is so beautiful. So we just flow like water.
Yeah.
Yes. So let's hear also from our co-host, from Darlene. So because Darlene is also an artist. She also does paintings, drawings, and all. So Darlene, do you like watercolor as a medium for paint?
Yes, I actually like it also. Aside from acrylic, na pud akong it's also an easy to go to material, and it's available, and you can mga light colored light color siya na material. And also I would like to acknowledge Tita Jenny for her question, for her answers. Actually, I actually summarized it in the comments. So,
Ang dami siguro niyan, Jar. Charot.
lingaw kasi, now I get it why it's watercolor flow. Because, yeah, the flow is your current state now. And if it's something that is not contributing to you anymore as a person, one way of expression or communicating is actually watercolor for you. And that might actually be the chance of exploration for people who are looking for ways to express themselves and don't know how. So thank you so much for opening this class. It's so awesome. And yeah, and else? I'm not sure if
Wait lang, lang ako ng charger.
It's okay.
So yes, yeah, how about you, Shenyuer? Do you like watercolor, and are you excited to, because we actually we are three. We are the first ones who registered for the class, so we're so excited and looking forward to that. So yes, I think hindi mo na mag-on si Tina ng camera, mahina ang kanyang internet connection. Yeah. There, are you excited? She's forward.
No, nahulog na sad ko.
Gani. So yeah, have you ito ba naga-paint na bata? Ako dili pa kay ko ga-paint. So we're excited sa ating first water class.
Yeah, me too. I'm so excited. I'm really happy that Ate Jenny is starting this because I really wanted to try out watercolor. It's just that I have judgments about me when it comes to kanang painting, kanang ay kiwi kumupe, kanang masa dili na ko ma-perfect. So daghan kay ko mga judgments na ana. So it's really nice to have Ate Jenny to guide us because she truly understands. And aside from that, it's for people who are like, again, nagid ko dagang judgments like I'm old, nanang tigulang nako, charat aging ko. So tigulang nako kanang I have this like kanang mag-learn pa ko ana, di ba dapat I should be learning that when I was younger, parang ganon. So I have that kind of judgments on me, okay, and that's just my interesting point of view. I have this point of view. So but it's really nice to be working with this with you at the Jenny, and that's why nangusog pod me. I mean, kami as the Zero Fox Given team and the Fox Tribe, we really would like to learn this because we have so many creates. We have so many parang kanang energy to create, and what if this could be a beautiful output for us to just what you say na just flow. And you don't have to really put so much structure to ito yung gagawin ko ganyan, but just flow and have no judgments about it. And thank you for sharing this. So yun siya.
Yeah, she would also like to try yung Chinese painting style. So I think it's
Chinese painting ang ako ang gusto gid mo. Gid na siya ako.
Yes. Too bad I haven't tried. Yeah, I haven't tried using the Chinese brush gyud kasi the ones that I see here kasi alam mo yung sobrang low quality gyud. So and then the ones na high quality, mahal gyud siya pod. So I have been, also parang ginatipid po na ako akong sarili before it was only last year that I really bought high quality na brush for as a birthday gift to myself kasi poverty consciousness na. Oh my god. Dati nga even the watercolor, grabe ginatipid ko yan because of that as well. But I have tried following a certain artist as well. I'm going to share it in the class, especially you, Shifu, that you're into Chinese brush, even calligraphy. But she's also really into watercolor talaga in general, floral and everything. So including the strokes, actually, you can learn a lot from Chinese brush strokes. it can create a varied effect sa imuhang gustong i-paint. And it's really exciting. And true enough, yes, there's going to be a lot of creates after this class. It's going to be expansive because, you know, the strokes or the techniques, you can also use that in calligraphy. So if you're interested in calligraphy, actually it's the same principles. How to use the brush or how to use the nib, the calligraphy pen as well, and even ball pen actually. So this is a very expansive class for those attending. Yay! Calligraphy daw, sabi ni Ma'am Shi.
Yes. Next class ni Ate Jenny. What else is possible? O, di ba, nag-uusap pa lang tayo, marami ng creates. Yan talaga.
Yeah.
I'd also like to add, with watercolor, with what I understand, so watercolor painting is just there's no such thing as the right way to do it and the wrong way to do it. It's really like, yeah, you just flow. You just follow the energy.
Yes.
And just
how I describe it before is that it is very forgiving, because if you make a mistake, you just let it dry, and then pag super dry na siya, hindi yung beer, you just dip your brush again in water, and then if you'd like to change the color, so you can change it na naman, the design according to that. A very good example of that is my version of the Aurora Borealis. So dati kasi I cannot really blend create a shape na di siya magmukhang, alam mo yung drawing na linya lang, but really like the natural Aurora Borealis that I was able to witness. So at that time, I haven't explored kasi galaxy type of painting. So akala ko, my God, aksaya lang sa paper. Sabi ko, ang mahal ng paper ko. It's an Italian paper, charot, you know. And then, so when it dried, and then I realized, i-correct ko kaya to or something, parang I'll finish this, rather not correct, I'll finish this. And so eventually I was able to get for me, because this is my interpretation of how I saw Aurora Borealis. So I was able to really capture that moment, because at that time, all our gadgets, me and my friend, all our gadgets were like freezing na. So we weren't able to take pictures and everything. So I wanted to capture that, ano yung shape, yung ganyan. So this is my interpretation. Kasi nga, wala kaming photo of that really wonderful moment. So that's one thing about painting as well. So if you want to immortalize something out from your travel, or immortalize your face, or a particular moment, you can do so or express that by painting that moment, or an object, or a person, etc. So it's very forgiving. Yes, you can just flow whatever you like, and yes, there's no right and wrong. Like Kay really somehow helped me that the perspective na, oh my God, kanang straight dapat, di ba? Like kay Shifu, for example, oh my God, kiwi bang drawing or something like that. And then when Kay was like painting and I was trying to correct her, sabi ko, this is what it looks like, ganyan. Sabi niya, no, I want to do K version, diba? So we can learn from kids na, yes, we started that way anyway, na no judgment, na, okay, this is how I see it and this is how I interpret it. So it's also going back to our natural state, na no judgment of ourselves, na whatever color that really somehow resonate well with me as of the moment, or something na will represent my emotion or my state of mind. So that's just it. And then you just flow. Pwede nga splatter. I remember Kay it was just entirely splatter. And then funny kay, nakagawa na siya ng story na parang the splatter looked like fire and then they are flying into the sky. So ganun na ang story niya. So that's how Flow is as well in like in case story ni Kayan. And then it's also the same with adults kasi okay, you can just create anything out of parang something na hindi ka nag-iisip or something na hindi ka nag-rationalize. So that's why really for me the appropriate term using this medium is just like flowing, just like the activator water as one of the mediums.
Wow, amazing. I love that. I love that. I love the concept of parang you can never make a mistake in watercolor. So that's a very beautiful way to practice again our no judgment space kasi many times in our lives we always judge ourselves, and at least in this class, you know, you get to just be, and from this you could actually use this to propel you to your more beautiful life choices. You know, you're like, kung ano na naman ang in-next na i-choose mo. In-next na i-choose mo. So, thank you, Ate Jenny, for sharing so much in-depth. Alam mo, this is just an interview and yet we are already receiving so much.
Class na ito, guys. Charot.
Parang class na din siya. Oo. So, ganun naman talaga tayo sa Fox Tribe. We always, you know, gift out a lot of things whenever the situation calls for it. And we would just like to honor also our viewers right now. We have Aurora, Kuya Chad is also watching, Tita Babes Acosta, and Kuya June Laura who's saying, I love Fox Tribe. O, diba? What else is possible? Hello sa inyong lahat.
Yes.
And actually, someone messaged me kanina, si Tita Tita, sabi niya, I really want to attend the live pero meron akong pupuntahan, sabi niya. So sabi ko, it's okay, you can watch the replay, sabi ko. So yun, we have so much fun. We are opening doors here in the Fox Tribe for different people to be invited to different, you know, like possibilities. And for this month, we are creating it with arts and with Ate Jenny Nalia. And so, yeah, anybody else from the host who would like to share something before we invite them to our classes?
Darlene? Darlene.
Okay. Yeah,
Cute ni Darlene.
I express. My God, I cannot express kasi sa watercolor. If this is fun and light for you, which it is for me. So, reserve your slots. The watercolor flow workshop is on April 20. My God, 23. Is that
22?
Oh my God, 22. My God, it's 22. It's at 3 p.m. It's a Thursday, and you can reserve your slots by messaging us through Fox Tribe or personally. And what else? And and the fee actually already includes the basic kit. So yeah, it's so exciting.
Yes.
Do you have like the kit, Tita Jen?
Yes. Would you like to take a sneak peek?
Yes.
Or you want it surprise?
Oh, okay. Okay. Pwede po surprise.
Mas nice ang surprise, pero maybe one item that's cute. Just one. And then the rest will be surprise. Something that you could share. Just one.
Okay. So this is the worksheet.
Woo! I like the worksheet.
So which I sketch it as well.
Wow.
And then so you can do or practice from here, and you can also input your notes. Something.
Ooh, I like
so
that.
I was thinking of really, coming up like typing it PDF format or so. But to be true to to the activity. So I made use of how I sketch as well of my craft. So parang ano lang siya, kanang nag-drawing lang good to like when we were kids. And then, okay, I have lesson na. Si Kay ganyan parang, I think she just evolved. I think she really didn't learn it from me, but it's just like her natural state. So most of her, most of her kanang work, they call it work kasi in school, is that she like does like the book workbook thing, and then she staples the coupon band, and then she just writes there, and then puro drawing, and then she will just blah 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 everything she will explain to her teacher ano yung natutunan niya. So parang ganyan. So parang this is the intro lang din. Siguro if some of you is going to be illustrators in the long run who would like to create a children's book or so that involves not just drawing but likewise words or stories. Si Shifu mahilig din mag-story. So pwedeng ganun din ang route or one of the expansions after this class as well. Kasi watercolor is also a very cute. If you notice some of the children's book, very cute ang effect niya pag ganon. And siguro that would like we have di naman kids si Kuya Dwayne, but Isa is the kiddo that we're going to be learning with later on. So magandang mix nga siya kasi Isay, in the eyes of the child, I know that we can learn from her as well. Once she expresses her what's her thoughts or emotions perhaps, or what she wants to create, just naturally create. So I know we could learn from each other as well. Kasi being a facilitator, it's not about like, just sharing with you the techniques and the tools, but likewise inspiring each other, or you are creating all together something. Kasi you never know that there's some idea that would spark a different creation within you or within me. For instance, like si Shifu more on Chinese, and it's really pretty. All the Chinese diba, painting. Meron din kasi silang principles. So I can share some of the things that I learned from these artists that I follow in Instagram as well. So they have principles na pwede mong ma-apply sa life. Kasi they also use the Tao principle din kasi when painting. So very interesting, and there's a lot to learn talaga in terms of art. It's very expansive.
Yay! Thank you, Tito Johnny, for sharing one part of your kit. So the rest is a secret. So guys, join. And also you can this is also online, right? Online and a live class. So if you're from far away, you can still reserve your slot so we can send out the kits in time. So yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
At least within Davao, madali lang.
Oh yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yeah.
Or nearby, near Davao, dali lang.
Good
So
for
true.
kids and adults.
So even if you are in Davao and you're not comfortable with showing up in person, kasi I think we may have been reaching the I think our enrollees have reached our so for those who would be coming, we encourage you to join us online, especially if you're in Davao. It's okay, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be something it's because you will still have your kit. So mapapadala din namin. All you need to do is just just shoulder the delivery fee, or you can pick it up maybe somewhere here in DXN if it's possible. But yeah, we'll work on it. And what else is possible with the upcoming class? So excited for that. Thank you, Ate Jenny. And yeah, this we will also invite you to our other classes that we have. So ano tayo nito? Salitan and alternate. Alternate. So alam na natin ang drill, guys.
Kasali si Jenny.
Yes, kasali si Ate Jenny sa ating ano. So,
Sure.
ano to, mga impromptu, ang tawag nito, impromptu invitation. So, yeah, this is our upcoming course and classes. Mauna si, sino? Would like to Zai first, then Darlene, then me, then Ate Jenny.
All right. So, yes, the first on the list is Zero Fox Given Monday, new season. So, for tonight, we just had the art flow with our special guest, Miss Jan Puri from the Sands. So, yeah, Zero Fox Given Monday is a Facebook Live at the Fox Tribe. So, you can follow us every Monday, 8 p.m. Same time, same channel.
So it's What Does the Fox Say with Guest Access Consciousness Certified Facilitator Ryan T tomorrow at the Fox Tribe, and it's at 8 p.m. So we don't have a topic yet, so watch out for the topic. We're not sure what the topic is. Let's just be in the flow, like the watercolor flow.
So, yeah, to Jenny.
Oh, and every Wednesday, Team Wednesday is fun-filled Freedom Nights with CA Nang. And wow, interesting. Our topic on Wednesday is going to be about choices. Interesting. Wow, this is going to be expansive as well. So see you at 8 p.m. as usual. And just be present and choose fun-filled Freedom Nights.
Yay, awesome. So thank you to Jenny. Next, we have our Tea Time Thursdays, of course, inviting you once again to our every Thursday, meron talaga tayong Tea Time Thursdays every 3 p.m. But this coming Thursday, it's gonna be unique. This is what this Zero Fox Given is for tonight, because it's gonna be a paid class, and this is with Miss Jenny Nalia, Watercolor Flow, and this will be again this Thursday 3 p.m. And how much is this? This is 777 pesos with kit. So kanina you just saw a glimpse of one of the items from the kit, which is personalized. How does it get any better than this? So see you this Thursday.
Yes, and on April 23rd, 2021 at 8 p.m., also an FB Live here at the Fox Tribe, we will have Sugar Babes at night with Coach Gina Katigbak with our wonderful host, Darlene Faith Bubbles Swelto. So that's on Friday, guys. See you.
And as usual, we have our hippie market every Saturdays at the Kunlun. So if you don't know that, please just message the Fox Tribe or the Mystic Angels page, or just go to the Mystic Angels hippie market page. So what we offer during our Saturdays is sunya. We have a lot of crystals. That's bracelets, tumble, all the stuff. And we also have books, which you can't find anywhere in the Philippines. These are Access books, which has contributed a lot to us, and shirts by the Ink Project and Money Merch. If you want to be the energy of money and all it and all it symbolizes, or yeah, so yeah, just also we have locally made shirts and printed shirts. They're local, so you're supporting local people. So pre-loved also apparels are available. We have food items and angel reading sessions, which I know a lot of people are asking for. So these are paid angel reading sessions. So yeah. And we also offer Access Bars full sessions and as well as tasters. So please message us if you'll be going, because of course we're still limited in terms of people. So it's 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. April 24. See ya.
So you could also book any Fox to coordinate with you for this set. We have the gift of Glow Up. And it's only 555, and this includes a free Sunya session, meaning we will teach you how to do Sunya, and also an Access Bars taster, and of course glow up using the Gem Puri products of the XN. So if you want to try this facial set, skincare set that has an amethyst, so this is a wonderful time. This may be a wonderful time for you to give the gift of glow up. So yes, what else is possible?
All right. And every Sunday, it's Sunya Sundays, 9:30 a.m. or actually it starts 9 or 9:30 whatever is light during that morning, Sunday morning. And usually we just begin with showing how to do it, like the slides, and then we can just do it individually as well. So guided, and then somehow we'll show videos as well on how to do it for those who are just started or interested to try Sunya as a form of meditation and resetting.
So yeah, thank you Ate Jenny for that. And this coming, ako na ba next? Tama ba? Nakalimutan ko.
Ate Zai.
Ay, Zai ba next?
Yes. Okay, na good. Yes, and Flexibility's open house on April 29th, 2021. That will be that's a Thursday at 1 p.m. So it's a Zoom call. Now, if you have invites, or if you'd like to introduce DXN to your friends or family, or whatever possibilities we can offer or you'd like to explore, you can join us during our social hour on Thursday, April 29th, 1 p.m. Flexibility's open house. See you at the den.
Thank you so much, Zai. And Darlene next.
Yeah, and every first Wednesday of the month, which will be now on May, we'll have our Get Happy Unicorn call. It's a non-recorded call. It's a Zoom call, and it's at 3 p.m. every first Wednesday of the month. So this is free, and this has really contributed. The program has actually very has been contributory to me during the whole last year or since it started. So yeah, maybe explore possibilities with this call.
So thank you so much, everyone. And we're also inviting you. We still have 2 more Saturdays with Online Healing Community. It's almost like a Get Happy Unicorn call, but only different because it's gonna be parang personalized and all. It's called Exploring Possibilities with Online Healing Community, and it's gonna be introducing access consciousness tools that could contribute to your growth, or if you have other questions for that as well. Wala kaming nilagay na mga theme. It's really just exploring possibilities because yeah, whoever shows up and what energy is required or ano yung topic na required, then yan yung aming pag-uusapan. So and yan yung tools na mabibigay natin. So yeah, if you're interested with that, it's only 300 pesos per session. So what else is possible? And yeah, please you can still sign up via Online Healing Community. So look for that Exploring Possibilities with me, Tina Suelto. So ayun, and maybe Zai have upcoming classes and calls.
Yes, Global Energy Pools with Junaline later tonight at 10 o'clock p.m. She has a Facebook group named Global Energy Pools. So for tonight, it's Energy Pool with the Earth. So we have just been to the farm and we did communion with Earth. And how did we get so lucky to have an Energy Pool with the Earth tonight with Junaline? So 10 p.m. later. See you when I see you.
Yay! Awesome! What else is possible with everything that's been happening in our space? And thank you for staying with us tonight. Hello din kay Kuya Jay Valeriano, who also gave us a heart tonight.
Yay! We love you.
And before that, of course, we would like to honor and acknowledge our beautiful, beautiful guest, Fox Goddess, Miss Jenny Nalia, for indulging us with our beautiful questions and giving us really awesome contribution for tonight, and really expanding the energy for the class this coming Thursday. We're so looking forward to it. How does it get any better than that? So yes, Shifu.
Thank
We
you.
miss this so much, and bye-bye.
Thank you for co-creating. See ya.
And this has been Tina Swalto.
This has been Darlene or Bubbles.
This has been Zai or Mama Zai from the deck. Where you at?
See you next week, everybody.
Ta-ta.
See you next week. Bye-bye, everyone. Ta-ta for now.